Hello, welcome back again with me here, Lina Dichiera at Great Home Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm gonna show you how do I make zucchini boat. Let's get started. Let's prepare the ingredient. I use half large onion, finely sliced dice size. After chopping, I put it in a small bowl. And then I use half carrot, sliced finely thin and chopped to small dice too. And after that, put it in a small bowl too. And I use half capsicum, sliced finely thin and chopped into small dice size too. And I put inside the bowl. And coriander leaf, I chop in the finely size and put in the bowl too. After all the ingredients ready, here small dice of carrot, cheese, pork mince about 464 grams, chopped coriander leaf, 2 medium or large size of zucchini, small dice of onion, small dice of capsicum, and 5 seasoning is salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken powder. Cut the zucchini half them lengthwise and hollow out the flesh. Leave it a 1/4 inch thick rim around each half. And then cut both ends. I use a small spoon to hollow out or scoop out the flesh of zucchini. And leave a little bit more than half-quarter thick around the edge. Don't scoop too much. Make sure you leave a steady border of zucchini flesh to support the yummy fillings. And collect it to the bowl, the zucchini flesh, for mixing with the fillings after. If you scoop too much, your stuff of zucchini boat will flimsy. From the zucchini flesh before into the filling, what we have to do here, we collected all this flesh first in the bowl, and here is ready, and we put it aside, and we get ready the fillings. Now we chop any bigger zucchini chunk into the small piece before adding into fillings. After done chopping, and put it in a small bowl. And then now we prepare the stuff. Okay, ready the pan and then turn on the stove and put some olive oil and put onion into the pan. Add some carrots, add capsicum, Stir around to mix it well. Add pork mince. Sprinkle some black pepper. Add some salt. Add zucchini flesh. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add 2 teaspoons chicken powder. Stir around to mix it well. After we cook the filling, we put it aside and we ready the zucchini. Place them cut side up on the chopping board. Put the filling or stuff it in the zucchini. Place it into the plate for now. Take the next one and do it the same thing until done. Now after ready the zucchini boat, place it into the baking tray. Oh my god, they look so yum. Can't wait to taste it. Sprinkle some cheese on the top. Bake in the oven about half an hour. Use a fan bag and 200 degrees. They look so yummy. Yeah, our zucchini boat is ready now. We place it to the plate. Sprinkle some small dice chop of tomato. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaf. And zucchini boat is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.